first you have to sing Merry Christmas first.
But I'm very bad at singing. Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you for this gift. It's something blue. What? I actually like this. I like the gift. Why is it so heavy for me? It's the best gift I actually like.
What?
It is a PS5. Yes!
How did you know?
Because I saw the controller. There's another controller for Atisap, so we can play together. There's two controllers. And there's another wire. A real PS5. I can feel it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it a real PS5?
Yeah, I actually can feel it. This is a real PS5. It's the real PS5. I love the PS5. Oh my god, what? I hear something. What is this?
That's just the stand.
Where is the games in the PS5?
There's no games.
They didn't come with games. Let's
Open
check.
it.
Is this another gift? Is this a gift from Santa from me?
Maybe.
What are these things? I never played this in my life. Yes, I love it. Okay. Finally, I got a new one. Thank you, Dad. Thank
Uy!
you.
Sweet ni Ford. Kay iyak ka na. I love you. Actually, kay Ate Seth yan. It's not yours.
I didn't like it.
Ah, hindi ba? Ano bang gusto ni
She
ate?
wants a PS4, not PS5.
Ah, PS4 ang gusto. Eh, ikaw ano?
PS5. I like PS5. What's wrong with you? After 1 week, I finally got a PS5.
1 week ka lang bang naghintay?
Yeah.
Parang 2 years.
This is the best ever
Best what?
gift ever from Santa.
Ah, paano na yung gift ko sa'yo ng Pasko? Ayaw mo nun?
What was the gift again? I forgot. As I said, I got
Set up.
a PS5 before you. Yay!
Are you happy for?
Yeah. But I'm not happy because of you.
Bakit?
You just got mad at me. Why are you sampling this?
Yeah, so we can use it. You don't want me to?
Oh, sorry. I didn't know that. But she didn't ask me that in the first
Okay, I'm
place.
sorry.
Okay, I'll grab the controller.
Oh.
Dad, this is actually the best thing ever. Today my daddy's building a PS5. And I don't know how to build one. And my dad never has. Mom, I don't know why there's back buttons. There's back buttons. Okay, guys, my dad's trying to find how to build a PS5 because he doesn't know how to build one. Dad is technically not that smart. Thank you, Santa. How much did you buy this, Santa? I'm excited to play with it. Dad, hurry up. I want to play.